Hello. So, ngayon naman, this video is going to be about Appen. So, I'm not sure if you're familiar with Appen, but I signed up to Appen, I think about a year ago or maybe close to a year na. And ang dami kong nare-receive na notification. Ang sabi nila ha, na kumikita daw dito sa Appen. Meron akong kakilala, ang sabi niya na si Appen daw is, or she's earning at least 15,000 per month dito sa Appen. So, pwede na siguro yung 15,000 for a sideline, part-time. I haven't been so active here. I just tried to work, I think, just once. And then, ang nangyari kasi, dito kasi sa Appen is project-based siya. So, once na ma-submit or matapos mo yung sinasabing project, then that's the time na babayaran ka ni Appen. Yeah, so I haven't done that before. So, ngayon, mag-try akong mag-log in. Check natin kung anong meron sa Appen. So, nung nag-try ako mag-log in, sobrang tagal ko nang hindi nag-log in, na-locked out na yung account ko. And then, may sinend sila sa atin na reactivation code. I will just paste it here so I can log in. And there you go. Update password. Okay. So, ito yung unang lalabas, home screen. So, dito tayo pupunta sa all projects. Okay, so all projects, and right now, meron akong isa. Ang nakalagay dito, $4 per hour. So, let's see. This one-time short survey, actually, it's not $4 per hour. Nakalagay lang dyan is per hour, pero ang totoo niyan is per project. So, pag natapos mo tong project na to, magkakaroon ka ng $4. So, actually, ito ay survey lang naman siya. Hindi talaga siya yung work na pagtatrabahuhan mo ng hours. Actually, matatapos to in a few minutes. Nagawa ko na to before, pero noon, $2 lang siya. Ngayon, $4 na siya. So, this one time, ang nakalagay dito, this one time short survey siya, diba? Short survey is a great way to get some extra cash on top of your other projects and discover cool content on social media. Ito ang required, sabi niya, an active, lakihan lang natin ng konti. So, sabi dito, all you need is an active Facebook account with at least 25 friends. And then, of course, if you're using an Android or iOS device, either mobile or tablet. So, pasok na ako dyan. Siyempre, meron naman tayong Facebook account na may 25 friends or more. And we're using an Android phone. So, kung iPhone naman gamit mo, no problem. So, nagawa ko na to before, as I mentioned. And this one, ano lang siya, survey lang siya. May ibibigay siya sa yung instruction. So, susundin mo lang yung instruction na yon. And then, madali lang naman, step by step naman siya. And then, kunwari, sasabihin niya, go to your profile. O kaya, search this keyword on your Facebook news feed. So, may papasearch siya sa'yo. Tapos, para kang nagsasurvey, sinasurvey mo yung bagong interface ng Facebook. Okay ba sa'yo yung bagong interface ng Facebook? Kumusta naman yung parang gano'n, ano sa tingin mo ano sa tingin mo dito sa bagong interface ng Facebook? Kasi about Facebook to, kaya nga sinabi niya na required ang active Facebook account. Only for this task. So, try natin. Try kong i-click to ha. Work this. So, as I mentioned, kailangan natin i-enter ang ating Facebook URL. So, sige, let's go to my Facebook. I will try this right now. Sabi niya, i-enter natin ang ating Facebook URL. So, I'll go to my profile. And then, ayan. Ito yung kakopy natin. Control-C, and then, paste. Save. Ayan. Ano sabi? Bakit bumalik dito? So, balik tayo. Ulit. Ayan. So, yan pala. Alright. Oh, there is no there is currently no work on this project. Okay. Okay, so yeah, makaka-receive ka naman ng notification pag meron ulit na available. So, wala daw available. Try natin ulit. Click natin ulit si all projects. And then, select natin yung all projects instead. And then, go. Ayan. So, ito yung mga available projects. Ayan o. Contribute to improve the future voice message tech. This project has now been completed. Okay, so, tapos na. Marami na tayong na-miss. Ayan yung mga instruction, no? Kung makikita nyo. Kasi para siyang yung Appen is parang, I think, is a company na hinahire o binabayaran ni Facebook, ni Google, ng kung ano bang mga website or companies din, other companies din, na i-test yung kanilang sabi ko nga sa inyo, mga updates ng website nila or ng tools nila. And then, itong si Appen naman, ang nag-hire sa atin mga freelancer, para gawin tong mga tasks na to. And nagbibigay lang sila ng certain amount. Kumbaga, ang bayad sa kanila ng company ay lump sum, pero sila ay nag-hire sila ng mga tulad natin, na naghahanap ng mga side gigs para gawin tong mga tasks na to for them. So, parang outsourcing din. Parang ganun siya. Para sa akin yon, opinion ko to. So, nakalagay dito, tingnan natin yung task 1. Nakalagay task 1. Participants will be required to record 108 English messages on their different topics and various ambient environments. Sa number 2 naman na task, participants will be required to record 19 English conversations with family, friends, etc. under different topics and various ambient environment. So, yon. And then, tingnan natin yung ibang mga task. Fall Elderly English Speech Collection. Close na daw ngayon. And then, another one is, tingnan natin yung English speech. Ano yung mga task dito? Oh, setting up reminder. Wait, what's this? In this task, using our Appen mobile recorder. So, itong Appen mobile recorder, meron itong app, mada-download natin yan. So, yan lang. And then, what else? Sa Freo naman, ang task ay, you'll need 2 individuals and a mobile phone to help with this one. And that's it. A friend to take the recordings and you performing in them. We're currently looking for 2 simple videos in total where you will be performing basic actions in an indoor environment. Just upload each video to the Appen mobile recorder via your mobile device and watch the rewards roll in. Parang ang dali lang nitong isang to. 100 US dollars. I think not just that. I think meron tong rate per project, and then there's also a chance for you to win up to 100 US dollars. Next is Malibo. So, maraming mga tasks dito. Hindi ko na siguro iisa-isahin. Ito, isa din. Mashal, help us improve the camera on your smartphone. Submit 20 images and 2 short videos of your dog or cat, and also provide the information of breeds and colors. Task deadline, task must be completed within 5 days after registration. So, yan. Pag gusto nyong mag-join sa ganito, i-click nyo lang yung qualify, and then maghihintay kayo ng English. Maghihintay kayo ng email from Appen. So, ayan, magre-register kayo dito. Yan. So, it's up to you kung anong project ang gusto nyong salihan or gawin. And, hindi lahat kayo ay ganito yung makikita, ganito karaming project yung makikita. Syempre sa umpisa, konti pa lang muna, habang habang tumatagal, magkakaroon na kayo ng iba pang qualification. So, okay lang naman habang tumatagal, pwede kayong maghintay pa ng mga additional tasks. Basta lagi nyo lang ilalagin. Siguro, every other day, ilagin nyo, tapos check nyo lang yung all projects. Select nyo yung all projects dito, and then all projects dito. So, para mag-login, para mag-register dito sa Appen, dito kayo mag-login. Ilalagay ko na lang sa description yung connect.appen.com. Ilalagay ko dyan kung paano, yung link para kung saan kayo magsa-sign up or mag-register. So, that's it for now. And I hope makatulong ito. So, that's it. Thank you so much and you have a great day. Bye!